Happy 50th birthday, Tres. God bless you always. And hope magkita tayo soon. And ingat palagi. Enjoy. Peace.
Happy 50th birthday, Tristan Dator. Parang kailan lang we're trying to survive math class and PE. Ngayon, 50 ka na. Wishing you lots of fun and good health. Enjoy your special day. You deserve it.
Men, Tristan, happy birthday. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, mas matanda ka pala sa akin. Sana okay ang health mo. Kita tayo minsan. Minsan, kita tayo dyan sa Canada. I love you, men.
Happy 50th birthday! Wishing you a day filled with joy, happiness, and everything wonderful. Good health and more blessings to come. God bless!
Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day and an amazing year ahead. God bless and always take care, okay? Take care. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Mr. D. Happy 50th birthday. Ikaw yung batch namin na hindi tumatanda. Well, anong sikreto mo? Dapat may bigay mo sa amin para ano din, mabiyayaan din kami ng genes mo na parang vampira. Well, happy birthday, batch. More blessings.
Hi Tristan, happy birthday. I wish you nothing but of course good health for you and your family. I hope na makapag-reunion tayo soon. But for now, enjoy your golden celebration. God bless!
Bless you, Tristan. Enjoy your birthday. Ayan, to the fullest. Patuloy kang i-bless ng ating Panginoon. Yun ang aking dalangin. Wala man ako maibigay na regalo, pero ang prayer ko ay patuloy kang i-bless ng ating Panginoon. Ayan, good health and more wisdom and knowledge for you. Salamat, Tristan, sa buhay mo. More power. Ayan, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Welcome to the club! Wishing you a good health. Alam ko naman yung mga dreams mo, narating mo na. And then yung kalusugan mo, ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Always be happy. Huwag ka masyado magiging seryoso kasi nakakatanda yan. Tandaan mo. Tignan mo na lang ang ate mo. Magfi-54 na pero still look young. Tingnan mo si ate. Ay, joke lang. Well, anyway, happy birthday, Tol. Cheers! Enjoy your day. And see you soon. Love you so much. Bye!
Happy birthday, Insan. Namimiss na kita. Sobrang namimiss na kita. Maraming hindi nakakaalam kung gaano tayo ka-close nung tayo ay mga bata pa, nung tayo mga pogi pa. Well, mas pogi kasi tayo ngayon. Kaysa dati pogi lang tayo nun. But then anyway, as much as I would want to take much of the time greeting you and of course wishing all the best for you, I just want to say that I pray for all the best para sa'yo. Isa ka sa mga taong nakilala ko na napaka-determined in everything na gusto niya mangyari. Napakabait. Napaka-dedicated sa family. And of course, napaka-simpatiko, if you know what I mean. So, Insan, enjoy your day. Minsan lang tayo nag-celebrate ng 50th. But I'm sure marami ka pang isa-celebrate na birthdays mo in the future. I pray for all that is best for you. Not just for this world's temporal needs, but of course, for what is more important, no? Friendship, lots of laughter, good health, lots of love, good family relations, and of course, peace within. So, Insan, happy birthday. If you have the time and your family, please do visit me here in Spain. Feliz cumpleaños, Dios los bendigo. I love you, Insan. Te amo mucho. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tristan. Enjoy your special day. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Insan! Happy birthday, Tristan! Padala ka na ng Panginoon namin. Kahit konti lang, kami lang mag-a-adjust. Wala namang problema, hindi naman kami maselan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! See you! Uwi ka na! Ingat dyan! Uwi ka na! Tagay na tayo pag-uwi!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Tristan! Enjoy your day and enjoy your time with your family. Bye! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tristan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tristan. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tristan.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, boy. Okay. Pauwi na.
Hi, Cousin Tris. I can't believe you're turning 50 already.
You look like 49.
Wishing you a day filled with love, happiness, and more successes in life. Welcome to the 50 Club. Enjoy the party.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Cheers!
Enjoy the party!
Birthday, Mentek. Mr. Golden Boy. O ano, kailan ang bakasyon mo dito? Ano na natin hindi nagkikita? See you soon, brother.
Happy birthday, Mentek. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more blessing.
Marco Tristan, happy 50th birthday, ha? Okay? Bigay sa inyo ni Joyce yan at mga bata, ha? Okay, pare, toma mo na lang ako, ha? At sigurado maraming pulutan yan. Okay?
Hello, Mentek. It's been a while, pare. I just want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. And I wish you more blessings and good health to you and your family, of course, and happy birthday ulit. God bless. See you soon.
Mentek, happy 50th birthday. 10 taon na lang. Member ka na ng Club 20. Enjoy your day, pare. And see you soon. Uwi ka na ng Pinas.
Happy birthday, Mentek. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Mentek! Nasaan ka man ngayon? Tristan! Mentek! Maligayang kaarawan at Naway, last na to. Baka siguro, next year ulit. Basta last na to ha. Happy birthday to you. Mentek. Yes, sir.
Ay, Tito Tristan, ang sarap ng araw ngayon pero wag mo kakalimutan na mas masarap ka. Mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo at wag mong kakalimutan na bawal kang magshabu. Yan, yun lang po. So, ingat po kayo. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Mentek. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more blessing.
Paring Goping, kamusta ka na dyan? Kamusta kayong pamilya? Miss ko na kayo. Miss na kita. Miss ka na ni Asyong. Yung pinapagawa natin ng Mio. Wish ko lang mas umasenso ka, maging maganda pamilya mo. Ride lang ng ride hanggang sa matapos. Kami dito okay lang. Ride lang ha. Man, happy birthday. Happy golden year sa'yo. Sana soon magkita-kita ulit tayo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tristan. Happy 50th birthday. Have a good one and enjoy.
Happy birthday, bro. You know very much how much we love you. And 50 na tayo. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, love you.
Happy blessed birthday sa iyo, May Tristan. Wow! 50th. Na belong ka na sa 50th. Para-parehas na tayo ng edad. Anyway, I wish you all the best in life at yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Naway marating mo yan along with your beautiful wife na si Mate Joyce. So, I hope na magkita-kita tayo soon para mag-reunion kahit sandali lang. Nakakamiss ang college life, no? Ang pinaka-gwapong kaklase namin sa mata ni Mate Joyce. O, diba? Okay, enjoy and this is from UAE sa Desierto. So, yun lang and hope to see you soon.
Hi, Tan. Happy 50th birthday and welcome to the club. Enjoy.
Paring Tristan, happy birthday. Padala mo na yung panginom namin ni Wow. Gusto yan?
50 na.
50! Eh, golden birthday pa yan. Padala ka ng mga 5,000 pwede na yan. Okay?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello Tristan! Happy 50th birthday! This is Chris Teta. Alam mo na.
Hi Trace, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. May God always bless you and guide you and your loved ones. Hope one day we can catch up. You're the man. Peace, my brother.
Hi Tito, kamusta? Happy 50th birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na if there's one thing I truly admire about you kahit noon pa po, is it's how you always stand firm sa gusto mo in life. Kasi for me, isa ka sa good example ng quote na if there's a will, there's a way. There's definitely a way. And even back when you guys were still here in the Philippines, isa ako sa naka-witness noon ng hard work mo just to provide for your family, kay Tita Joyce, kay Bea, and Alfonso as well. Naalala ko noon yung endless calls, yung endless client meetups sa buy and sell business mo before. And looking at you now, owning an auto shop business abroad. Wow, grabe yung transition, Tito. Idol. Anyway, if you're still having doubts in yourself, if you're still having doubts in your capabilities, we just want you to know na we're so proud of you. We're always proud of you po. And ayun po, just keep doing what you're doing, Tito. As long as you're happy, healthy, walang tinatapakan ng tao, you're doing the right thing. And you may not always notice it, pero for sure, you're inspiring a lot of people. You're inspiring the people around you, including me, syempre. So yun, Tito, again, happy 58th birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness. Yan, happy birthday. Always aim high lang, Tito. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Tris! Happy
birthday,
50th birthday!
Enjoy your day.
Kasi kaya, wish you all the best, Pab.
Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Sobrang proud kami sa narating mo ngayon, Tito. And always kami magiging proud sa'yo. Enjoy your day, Tito. Happy birthday again. We love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Uncle, dali, nainitan ako.
Dito kayo, lumipad.
Pwede na to. Uncle, happy birthday. Click below, like and subscribe for more.